we're going to fix a pull string. We already took that off. Okay, now we got those screws off. We're going to pull that out. And you can see where the string is, and obviously broke somewhere in there. And so a good, or just a little pull, pulled it right out. So I'm just going to cut the fray off. I believe we want to wind this up first. Maybe. We're going to do it the wrong way. Am I doing it wrong? Oh, there we go. So turn the black part. And then it'll do that and be able to, it'll pull your string back in after you start it. So we gotta thread it through this hole, and there's a hole here too. So we're gonna have to thread it through both. So what I'm gonna do here is just melt the rope. To help get it through the tiny little hole on the inside. See it? Put a fishing line. Oh, geez. Put a fishing line in there. Oh yeah. I know. Are you kidding me?
What? Yeah.
Okay, don't forget to string it through here first. Because now what?